In this brief overview video, I want to show you how this little program we put together called Live Instant Raffle works. Okay, so let's assume you're doing a webinar and you want to pick a couple winners during that webinar to be random and show them that you're actually going to be picking them. Okay, so all you really have to do is get a basically a CSV file of your participants. So here's a sample list I just quickly put together, all right? And in the first column, you just need to have their name, first and last name, that's it. Now, if you want to weight them, you actually can weight them in the system. If you put a negative one, that means that they will never, ever, their name will show up, okay, but their name will never be picked in the raffle. And if you put nothing, they have a 1-to-1 chance. And if you want to weight someone to actually have a greater chance of winning, you can actually put a number greater than 1 in column B. Once you have that list all put together, you just need to create a CSV file, download it, and then you need to upload it, okay? Now, once you upload it, down in the lower left-hand corner of the page, you'll click on that and you'll get this dialog box to upload it. Now, I'm just going to drag this file. I already had it downloaded, so it's right there. So if I upload this, it will be there, and there won't be 3 names. But let's say you're doing a webinar and your participation is really, really, really low, okay? And you only had like 10 people sign up, but you want to show that maybe you have more people on the webinar than you actually do. So you can actually beef up your list by 25, 50, or 100, okay? Now, these folks will never be picked, okay? They just show when you upload the list a much bigger list. So we're going to add, between those 3 names, okay, we're going to add some male and female names into this. When we hit upload, it gets a little box, it's up top. Now, once that list is uploaded, what you can see is that we have a bunch of names in here, and we have 2 flat files in the system that have about 1,000 names each of male and females. So we'll randomly go in and pull out 50 names out of each, depending upon how you tell it to. And when you're ready, and the reason why we do this is so you can say, here are all the folks that are on the webinar, and then all you have to do is click the button, and it will go through a countdown, and it will then pick you a winner. And Frank Jones, remember, was heavily weighted. Now, let's say you're on the webinar, and you ask for Frank to chime in, and Frank's already gone, so you need to pick another winner. All you have to do is click on this again, and it will go through and find that other winner. And there's Mary, okay? Mary's the other person on that list. There's no more participants in this. So if we clicked on this again, it will say no more participants, okay? So you got to kind of keep that in mind. If you need a reset, up in the upper left-hand corner here, you see how my cursor kind of changed to a hand. There's a hidden button here. If you click on that, it will reset and bring you back your list of your participants. Now, if you think you could use this on your webinars, just below you'll find a link. You can pick this up really, really inexpensively. It's a really simple script to install, and we give you step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. Hopefully you can see the value in Live Instant Raffle. Talk to you soon.